Hello everyone, good evening. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. So tonight I wasn't supposed to be streaming pero medyo ginanahan ako. Lalo na since dumating tong webcam ko. So now I'm using it. My well I mean can you call it old ba? Or na? But I'm using my live model. There we go. I'm now using my live model ulit. So, hopefully, dire-diretso na yan. Wait nga lang. So, currently, mag-grind lang ako sa, not grind, gagawin ko lang yung weekly core in HSR. Tapos, I'm not sure what I'll be doing afterwards. Depende na lang sa magiging mood ko. I'll see if I can, what do you call that? I can play Tomodachi with a live model. So yeah. Wait a minute. Become a child. Ah. Mag-currency wars nga na lang ako. Ah, wait, no. Need ko pa pala i-grind yung Divergent Universe. I forgot. As much as want ko eto laruin. Divergent Universe na lang. Since I need to grind yung levels niya. Don't even care. Wouldn't we accept each other? We have to make ourselves aware. Okay, tapos na to. Back this you okay. Saan yun? Oh, wait. Where the fuck is my notebook? Oh, wala naman yung maliit kong notebook. Visit. You know what? Anyways. Ano to? Destruction. And elation. Okay. So, try kong kunin yung dalawang yun. Hello, Jaja. Welcome to stream. Welcome. Hayo, hayo. How's your evening? Hope you're doing good. I'm not a dere. Huh? The fuck do you mean? Have to die. Oh, not to see tomorrow. Yeah. Also, Ja, tinan mo. I got a webcam na. I'm using it sa I'm using my ulit. My, what do you call this? Live model. Which is currently lagging. Bakit? Naglakad ako buong hapon. Naglakad ako buong Do you know how many steps I did kanina? I did like what? Um, 20, around 24,000 steps kanina. While job hunting. So, yeah. Di naman sa masakit. Medyo mabigat lang maglakad. Hello, Chibi Z. Yes, Chibi Z is back. Why is it lagging na, putex? It was okay kanina. Galing tangina. I mean, to be fair, I went to like 3 different cities, so that's that. Ah. Ah. Dahil dumating ako. Kaya nga eh, ikaw ata may sanhi na to eh. Wait. Try kong i-lower pa yung settings. It's got to, they got to, they got to, got to. Wait lang. Why? Ayan. Dapat sinabi mo sa akin kita. Huh? No, I did not reach. Hanggang ano lang ako. Hanggang yung pinakang south ng NCR. Yun. Hanggang doon lang ako. Hindi ako inabot ng like kung saan tayo nagkita nun. Tsaka yun nga, ang layo nun para sa akin if magwo-work ako dun. Ah. Ah. It will just be a short stream siguro, inaantok na ako. So bukas may part 2 pa, although sa loob lang naman ng city ko. Since may kukunin din akong credentials sa school. I applied to like what? 12 hospitals and clinics kanina. So sana ma-accept man ako. Sana makasecure ako kahit isa man lang ang interview doon, just ko. Although medyo ano ako, I kinda like yung ano, hospital na malapit sa amin, like literal na malapit, isang tricycle lang. Kasi since looban siya ng isang not district. Sa loob siya ng isang subdivision. Tapos yung isa is a hotel tuloy. Isa is in the mall, mga clinic sa mall. Kasi at least doon parang ano fixed yung oras mo eh. Hindi katulad na pag sa ano, pag sa hospital. So, malaman na lang talaga. Ah. May story pa pala ako mamaya. Adapt ko yung story yung in-increase ko. Reset.
That looks like a tough one. Let me test the waters first.
I was thinking about you. As they say what you're about to say. The time for you, my life. I'm sure before you close. Wait, naano ko naman na yung ano yung mga streak ko 30 minutes ago pa pala. This is permanent. God, you on your top. Oh. I'm kind of curious, shadow ban ba ako? Ano yung di ka pa tapos? Distraction, okay. Distraction and elation. Before you leave my life, be sure that you won't stop if you go. Oh. Oh. Whatever it takes a sacrifice. Oh, wait lang. Ed. Look back before you leave my life. Yes, kung ano pwede ko laruin after na to, buisit. Oh. Okay, destruction. Although ayoko yung ano, yung distributed among allies. Okay. Feel me, honey, honey. Honey, honey, nearly killed me. Honey, honey. I feel like I'm shadow banned. Hmm. But I haven't been seeing other people yet. Honey, honey, love you feel it. Honey, honey, just the night. All the time. All I wanna do is do your thing.
Pretty good luck.
Don't wanna hurt you, baby. Kala ko naman dun sa radar mapupunta, bisit. Gotta got to find. Gotta take to you, boy. Gotta take you. Oh. Or kung makakuha ang ano, elation na ano, na they call that, yung ganito, na 3-star equation, ayun. Oh, kaya pa ako inaantok, bisit. No, we're not gonna do that.
No need to hesitate.
A direct defensive or
Light up the dark.
step onto the board.
Rise! Soaring above the land. This is permanent. Earth's shadows coming.
Flaming beast.
Tomorrow. Out farewell. Watch over you.
Ano pwede kong gawin after nito? So, naglalag na naman yung ano ko. Ayan. Ito na lang. Oh. I'm getting sleepy. Try ko na lang anuhin yung Tomodachi Live. Try ko i-run. Na din ako kasi yung ano, yung in order kong, what do you call that? Yung in order kong um, controller, hindi pa nasa ship ng seller. Kakairita. Hello, Yano. Harushima, welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Kamusta? Hello, Zaddy. Hello. How are you? Hello, I love Harushima. Welcome. Kamusta, guys? How are you all doing? Sorry if I sound tired. Because I am tired. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How are you? Very, very tired. Diba sabi ko nag-job hunting ako mag-job hunting ako. I did. I went to 3 different cities. Tapos, um, let's just say naka 24,500 steps ako kanina para makatipid ng pamasahe. I applied to 12, no, 11, 11, what do you call that? Um, kaya mo to, Zed. 11 hospitals and clinics. Let's go exercise. I mean, kinayo ko naman, pero the thing is, ang init kanina. I remember, naglakad ako for like, 2 beses na, almost 6 kilometers. Isa sa, from one city to another, tas yung isa, paikot-ikot sa isang city. So, nakaka-drain ng lakas yung init. True. Although, nung ano naman, yung, what do you call that? Yung, sa, around 11, I think 11 o'clock at ako dumaan. Pumunta dun. 11 o'clock to, to 11 o'clock to ano yan? To around 1 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Nasa mall ako noon. Granted, kumain ako doon tapos naghanap ng mga clinics na papag-applyan. And surprisingly, 3 yung na-applyan ko sa isang mall. Doon po tawag for good news. Yes, sana please just go. I have a lot of diba, I had a lot of hospitals na in-applyan. I think yung isa dun is around one of the top 10 or top 20 hospitals. Let me check. It's been a while since na-check ko yun, pero I'll just see. Wait, double check ko lang. Yeah, around that, yeah, nasa top 10 siya. Wait, ayan. Sorry, nagtanggal lang ng charger. Pero yeah, one of the places that I applied is, one of the top 10 hospitals in the Philippines. Kaya, sana ma-accept ako doon. If not, yung malapit sana sa akin. Kasi there's a hospital near me. It's a government hospital. Although nasa loob siya ng subdivision, pero still, one tricycle ride away, mga 15 pesos lang yung yung pamasahe. Tapos, konting lakad lang sa paloob. So, okay sa akin yun since, syempre, tipid sa pamasahe, plus government hospital pa. Granted, it's a small hospital. Also, nako ka pala sa stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good.
Your downfall is absolute.
I'll probably be including it to my manifestation. Sana, thank you so much. It's either that or yung mga clinic sa mall. Kasi at least pag clinic sa mall, fixed yung oras ko. Like, I don't have to worry about mag-night shift and whatnot. Although, if ever, mas preferred ko night shift. Kasi mas gising ako sa gabi. Mamaya nga, try kong i-ano to. What you call that? Magtomadachi. True opener or closer schedule lang yung incident. Yeah. Kahit nga yung yung clinic ng yung HMO ng nanay ko, pinag-applyan ko din. Actually, hindi pala 3 clinics yun, 4 na clinics. Now that I think about it. 4 clinics na applyan ko sa isang mall. Tapos isang research institute din na applyan ko. About research institute on infections. Although, pina-check sa akin sa website nila, and chinek ko website nila, kailangan pala pasado sa civil service exam. So now, inisip ko paano nga ba mag civil service exam. I know na may schedules yan, but I'm not sure how to apply for it or register. Kasi ang ganda ng mga offer nila, ang ganda ng offer nila doon since I remember yung pinaka-lowest na offer nila doon is 17,000. I think animal keeper ata yung offer nila doon. Or something similar like that. Tapos yung isa is lab tech. tas administrative assistant ganun. Which is yung iba doon hindi kailangan ng ano, ng bachelor's degree or previous experience. So yun, okay sana talaga yun, pero yun nga, need ko mag civil service exam. And someone else has died. She took your smile away. And I feel it's just memories all at once. Since I met you, you're the only love I love. And I can't forget you. Yes, actually yes, para may siya sa ganun ma-regular sa government. Yeah, pero yun nga, I don't know how to take the civil service exam. Kasi if not, edi no choice sa mga hospitals ako sa hospitals at clinic ako aasa. Kahit nga sa pinag-OJT-an ko nagpasa ako sa City Hall para doon. Isang round pa ako para makuha ko itong 120. Try kong makuha naman yung Elation na 3 stars. Wow, I drifted on a lonely sea, wishing you'd come back to me. And it hurts me more than you know. How much more there shows all at once. All that matters now, all at once. I drifted on a lonely sea, wishing you were back to me. Ano lang. Basta click na lang ako ng click dito, sure. Arbitration na lang. Then, Forge. Pag bigla na naman sa market chat ko. Mag-jump ba ako? Or what? Anyways, gotta go na. I have to work pa din. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you for dropping by. Thank you so much. Good luck sa work mo. Good luck. Yeah. And ingats. I'll be lurking though. Okay, okay. Lurk well. Although short stream na ako ngayon. I am tired though. Oh, now time's over. Store. All I remember is dreams that still go on. Every second of the night, I live another life. These dreams sleep and still outside. What can I play after this? Hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano lalagay ko after na to shoot. Does that no fall?
No need today.
A direct offensive.
Light up the dark.
Step onto the board.
Earth shatters. Come in, trouble.
Your downfall is absolute.
Soaring above the land. This is permanent.
Ahem.
Watch over you. Guide you on your path.
myself can't resist. Ayun, elation. Okay na to. Names never touched you. What the princess? And the mystic is. Okay, toss it far. You see again. It's dreams on the soul that's every time of the night. I live another life. These dreams, the sleep, the soul outside. Oh, give me elation. Reward. Yun, elation. Isolation. Um, go. Ayun. Okay, I'm done with that. Yeah. Isip ko tuloy if mag-ano ako. If mag-SU, you call that? SU DLC, yung Swarm Disaster. Isip ko if I should, if I should grind for it. Wait lang. Why the fuck does it keep lagging? Yung camera ko visit. Ayan. Hopefully it stays okay. I'm not that innocent. Ito yung mga ayaw ko na na adventure. But I can't seem to fully O diba? Putang ina. Oh baby, baby, oops, I think I'm in love. Of my heart. I'm not that innocent. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Not that innocent. Hello, Kali. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Baby, baby, oops, I think I'm in love. I'm not that innocent. Wait again. Thing in your heart. Lost in the stream. Oh, baby, oops, I think I'm in love. I'm not that innocent.
A will
A direct defensive.
light up.
Hmm. Which reminds me, di ko pa pala natapos yung ano,
Step onto the board.
yung story. Tinatamad pala akong gawin, buwisit.
Soaring above the land.
This is permanence.
Fulfill consequence.
Your downfall is absolute.
Absolute.
Serenity is before me. Watch over you. Guide you on your path. Future will come.
It's fine. You can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for. The good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Uh, probably just check on my on my niece, tas I'll end stream na. So, to be honest, inaantok na din ako. Smiling, smiling, know that you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. Good times,
Soaring above the
bad
land.
times,
This
I'll
is
be
permanent.
on your side forevermore.
Rise. Let doubt farewell.
That's what friends are
Guide you on your path.
for. Wait a minute.
Your downfall is absolute.
Hmm. Sure, it's fine. Always you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. That's what friends are for. I'll be on your side forevermore. What friends are for. Ah, ah.
A direct offensive.
Basta may sinesearch na ako habang naglalaro dyan. Apex.
Step onto the board.
Um,
Soaring above the land. This is permanent. Watch over you. Guide you on your path. Mountains move. Dragons rise. Future will come.
Your downfall is absolute.
Amphorius will welcome the true dawn.
Okay. Level 45. Tapos nakuha ko na din yung isa. Yung Silation na ano. Basta ito. Ayun. How many J's pa that? I think 40, no? Yeah. Tapos ito dun. Natapos ko na din to. What's this? Avatar, okay. Dead man. Ano bang need niya, no? Ni wealth na planar. Is it broken field? No, I think ito. Mga pan-cosmic. The broken hearted. I'll be fine. Dami. Okay. 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 Ooh. Uh, uh, I want not what ayun. Uy, nice. Nice. Here comes of the broken heart. Di ba mabigyan ko nito? Alam ko Jiaocho, binigyan ko nito. Si Blackson, peletan ko ata. Hmm. Of the broken hearted. Wait. I'll trash all of this. Kasi to be honest, who even uses this? Ay pa ba? Putex, marami pa nga. Lay all your love on me. Namaga naman ako bukas. Since, like I said earlier, may part 2 ako bukas. I really do feel like I'm shadow banned ngayon. Oh my gosh. Something was finally right. How is this true? Dami pala na to, Putex. More yung relic remains for me. Although minsan ko lang naman din siya nagagamit, even still. Don't go wasting your emotion. Lay all your love on me. Ay, oh my gosh. Salamat, tapos na. Dami po, text. Sa bagay, 300% nga ni. Wanted to never fall so easily. Salvage. Uy, 1,140. Nice. The soul was hot. I skip my pride. Back of you. I'll go to here. Before ako lumipat sa ano, Tomodachi. All your love on me. Where did I get the Mysteria cake? Because I mean, come back to the stream. Come back. Nag-brown out sa cafe mo. Ox lang yan. Luca!
You're here right on time. I was about to give some feedback to the express.
Ibig sabihin, since chat ka na, bumalik na yung ano, or naka-data ka lang.
The express are too small. Things were pretty scarce in the underworld, but food stall owners were never this stingy.
Maybe you have a big appetite.
Really?
Kettle House kami right now. I don't know what a Kettle House is, but I'm guessing, well, not guessing, it is a cafe, most likely. Our data naman goes.
Seems like the conductor likes to include these weird.
But I think we've already seen this. Yeah, I have. Hello, Couchy. Welcome. How are you? How are you? Hello, hello. I'm still tired talaga ngayon. Yung suot ko ngayon pambahay samantala yung mga tao dito rich vibes. Well, ikaw nag-decision magsuot niyan eh. Lay all your love on me. Don't go wasting your emotion. Thank you for the heart, Mikashi. Thank you so much. Wait, bukas ka na alas, diba? Kala ko Kali Coffee lang dito pala. Now, you know, mag-double check muna. Something wasn't right here. Thank you for the Go Popular as well, Kaushi. Thank you. Ready ka na ba sa Saturday? Well, in all honesty, paubos na pera ko. Boss ng 6 flight namin. Okay. Tapos deliver ko pa si mami ng ano, ng tower to. Yung ano, ng pamasahe sa pupuntang, kasi pupunta sana kami mall this Saturday. Pero, baka move ko na lang ng Sunday. Pero yun nga. I-deliver ko siya ng pamasahe since sa tagal na nang hindi nakapunta sa mall na yun. Yes, ready na ready. Makakita mo talaga couch, ano. Bakit? What if lakarin ko, ano, pauwi? No. Naghanap talaga may outfit para di mo ako mabira sa t-shirt at jeans ko. Takot ka lang kay Mira, sabihin mo yan, Diyos ko. Kay Mira ka takot, hindi sa akin. Ano, wait lang, walang signal. Sabi ko baka maglakad ako pa uwi para lang makatipid. Now, because my loneliness is killing me and I must confess, I still believe. Nor ako magbibigay ng pumasahe. I mean, if you want to go, di ako tatanggi dyan. Uy, I can do a 10 pull. 100 okay ba? Yeah, okay, think okay na ata yun. Kasi yung pamasahe lang naman pauwi yung problema ko eh. Kasi yun nga, I think 100 plus yung computation ko nung papunta pa lang yun. Wait lang. Asan yung, asan yun? Most likely naman hindi ako busy ng ano eh, nung time na yun. Yung Saturday naman, wala akong kailangang asikasuhin. Unless lang kung bigla akong ano, i-hire ng mabilisan. Wait lang, where is it? Sa notes ko yun ah. Ayun, 200 na lang. Go! Hindi talaga ako tatanggi dyan. Hello, Demon Tree. Hello, Rishima. Welcome. Also, Couch, I think I'm shadow banned. Okay, hello, Demon Tree. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Yan ko na lang ibigay yung coins, kunwari. Ha? Is you and me and I. Okay, that's 67. No one will mention that fucking number, okay? Huwag niyo sabihin yung number na yun. Shadow ban kaya yung coins sa gift diretso para sa go lang, wala, kamusta ka na? Ato, pagod kanina since went job hunting kanina, went to 3 different cities. Yung isa nilakad ko from one city to another. Tapos yung sa isang city, paikot-ikot ako dun sa tanghaling tapat. At hapon na din, around 3 to 4. Tapos, ayun, I had like 25, um, well, 24,000 steps. Hello, mic test, 1, 2, 3. Okay na ba? Or hindi pa? Hello, Mitzi. It's okay na, okay. Shadowban is like although hindi siya nalabas sa mga hindi nalabas yung stream ko sa sa ibang tao. Sa mga kakilala ko lang. Parang hindi nire-recommend sa FYP ng iba, ganun. Kasi to be honest, kanina pa akong walang nakikitang bagong viewers. Why? Most likely dahil kahapon. Since for some reason, sunod restrictions ko kahapon. Ewan ko ba sa hayop na app na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Ano restrictions? Kahapon, gifting restriction, tapos live visibility restrictions. Feel ko hanggang ngayon naka-live visibility restriction pa rin ako. I know regrets. The stars deserve. Plano ko magbuyat na lang. Tapos sa airplay ka lang matutulog, ganon. Wow, wow. Pero palo hanggang 350. Naantok na ako eh, shoota. Kaya nga sabi ko short stream lang ako ngayon eh. Naantok talaga ako ngayon. Okay, pause ang music. Oh, sayang. Yeah. Diyos ko ba naman, Couch, sinong hindi mapapagod sa ginawa ko kanina? Wait. Where is it? Sana kayanin ng PC ko na Also, y'all notice something sa ko, sa model. Y'all notice something sa live ko. Kaya nga di na kita pinapatagal yung puyat. Wait, asan yung app na yun? No, not that. No, Di na green sprout sa ulo mo. Ha? Matagal nang ganyan yan, I mean, bumalik na yung ganyan kong model. Pansin mo, diba naka-PNG lang ako recently? That's because hindi nagana yung previous na ko. Yung dati ko webcam. So, yan. Ngayon lang dumating yung bago. Ngayon mo lang napansin? Di ba PNG yung gamit ko? Kaya nga palagi ako Palagi ako nasa VC. Okay. Ano ko lang to. Why won't it close? Ayun. So yeah, hello sausage, welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. I feel like you're the sausage that I know. Yeah, PNG gamit yan not this few days, this past few weeks. Tagal na sira nung webcam ko, kaya ko lang napalitan. Okay, change is um games, sounds, ayun. Kala ko kasi parang switch mo kasi gusto mo. Hindi, mas preferred ko talaga to, to be honest. Gusto ko maglaro Valo, sino kayain ko? Si Nish. Most likely naman nasa bahay na, ano, hindi naman siya alis ngayon eh. I think. Pwede. Pati si Mira din, iayain mo na din. My loneliness rescuing me, and I must confess, I still believe, still believe. Okay, let's see how much I made dito. Uy, 1-1. Hello, Simon. Nakarushim ako. Welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Sige, sigayain kapag nakapag-ayos na ako. Gora bells. Bye here. Sunday
Welcome
ulit.
in.
Welcome back. Welcome back. So,
Step
I'll
right
take
up
it.
and try your luck.
Tomodachi. Yes. Uy, antique set. Ato. Oh, genius. Actually, no. This is not new. This has been with me
Thanks
since
so
what?
much.
Last year.
Be sure to stop
I just
by
got my
again
new webcam
tomorrow.
kasi. So, yan. Magagamit ko na siya ulit. It's been like what? I think I haven't used this for like a month na. Kasi nasira yung webcam ko. Pero, yeah. Now it's
Welcome.
back. Also, sana i-dispatch na nila yung Grabe naman sa dispatch.
Thank you very
Ibenta
much.
na, benta. Mapadala na ni seller yung controller para hindi na akong nagko-connect sa phone ko. I need to go real quick. Okay, okay. Magbabagyo raw kami, di na ako sasama. Ang mo naman kung hindi ka sasama dahil lang doon, Diyos ko. Mind you, walang nagyari. Mind you, hindi naging kayo. Sarashi. Ang cute na to. I'll buy this. Wait, mabibili ko na pa yung yung para kay girly. I think, oo. Naalala ko, baka mag-flashback. Oh my gosh, nak. If you're going to, you're missing an opportunity to go to Baguio just because of him. Na aminin, wala naman talaga siyang ginawang masama. Well, ewan ko sa'yo, nak. Decision mo na yan, buhay mo na yan. Hindi na ako makikigulo.
Welcome.
Construction site.
Please come again.
Papakain pa ako. Anong meron sa inyong dalawa? Gusto niya maglaro? Putex.
Ha. Hey. Got time for a game of pixel quiz. Put Tankin on.
Go.
Here's your first pixelated item. What do you think it is?
The fuck is that? Feel like it's an album.
The answer is
The side looks like a CD. It
Reggae
is.
album. Next up, your second pixelated item. What do you think it is?
That looks like a bottle of a sports drink.
The answer is sports drink. And finally, the last pixelated item. What do you think it is?
What the beef jerky?
The correct answer is Hayashi rice.
How the fuck will I know? If tuloy kami bumili sa sofa, go.
Hey, you can't win them all. But you can get this as a consolation prize. Put Tankin on.
Box of tissues na naman. Yan na lang ba palagi yung consolation prize? Okay,
Ha.
kumain ka.
Hey there.
Creamy corn soup.
Yum.
I need those. Ay, apakaunti na na ano. Ba't ayaw mo? He made me his mom. Well, you mean the guy that you're talking about? Wait. How about Suyu?
Yum.
Yes. Is he younger than you ba or what? He likes it. I like it, I mean. Nag-level up ka pa, putix. He's 2 months older. Yeah. I mean, I have people that are calling me mom and shit. So, yeah. This is me. Hello, Miyamura. Wakarashima ko. If you don't,
I feel a bit more like myself. Put Tankin off.
kaya na muna mag-usap about dyan. I'm not that
Care
ano,
for a round of pixel quiz?
good. I'm not in a good mental state. Yun. Kasi yun nga, pagod ako. Kaya na Rated item na naman, pota.
Here's your first pixelated item. What do you think it is?
That is my cake.
The answer is Zedlin cake. Next up, your second pixelated item. What do you think it
Nagkakamot akong
is?
mata. I feel like that's, roast beef?
The answer is
Ano din order siya makakaw?
roasted chestnuts.
Oh, how should I know? Box of tissues na naman. Said if I this friend attractive and the next second deposit. What the
Hey,
fuck?
you can't win them all. But
Ay!
you can get this as a
Si Kozo
consolation prize.
minakausapin mo about dyan. Attachment issues malala.
Do you need me?
Yes, I need you in real life. Would you like some matcha?
Yum.
Look, pagod na ako mapag-uusapan ng love life. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayoko na. Nabibisit na ako sa usapang love life, putex. Sabi ko na kailangan pag-stressin. Ayoko nang i-stressin din sa ganun. How about Techucha?
Yum.
Hello, Kihi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Ay, gustong-gusto niya. Nag-level up ka pa, putix. Ano bibigay ko sa'yo? Ano ka na lang? Mag-knitting ka na lang. Now we see a wild jaw walking in the background.
Thank you.
What is it, girly?
What's
Oh,
cracking?
right. I have to
Ken
give you.
boys.
I have to gift you something.
I'm hungry.
O, ito na. Ito, Kimchi John.
Yum.
Grabe ka Zed kay Cosme. Diyos ko, look, siya palagi nagtatapit ng mga about sa love life. Napapagod na ako, okay? I don't want to talk about love life anymore. About anyone's love life. Not just one love life. Di lang love life ng anak ko. At ako'y marami ng problema sa buhay. Unti na lang puputok na ako. No, I should change that, ano. I should change that. Sasabog na ako. I will be combusting in a fiery way. And ayoko na. Gusto ko sumuko, putex. Oh, girly, oh. My room can't fit any more albums. I bought every album from every group. Sana all may pambili. Oh, yan! Magbandi kayo dyan ni ano. Ni Cause. Diyos ko. Yan, mga mahilig mag-collect. Hello, no plans. Orochimaru ako. What is it, Ja?
Huh? Do you have a moment?
What is it?
I would just love it if there were a round
I
street
just
lamp right
colored.
here.
Maybe another time. Ja! Wait! Kakain ka pa. Hello,
Ahoy
Drew
hoy,
Duberry.
Lord of
Orochimaru.
Fanboys?
I shall give you patatas.
Yum.
Mga 200 to 40, prepare nyo na pamasahin nyo if ever dito kayo pagsak. Sinerge mo kung magkano. Yan. Sinclair. Go eat.
You're looking chipper, Lord of Femboys.
First potato, I want to talk. Try mentioning if
Yum.
nasa ano siya. Nasa stream pa siya. Oh, he did not like that at all. Ano nga pa binigay ko sa kanya? Kalimutan ko na. How about Suyu?
Yum.
Transfer lang natin yan to places. Nakapag-layout na ako. Diyos ko. Paalala ko lang na tipid ako ha. Matipid na tao ako. So, sobrang tipid ko, naka 25,000 steps ako kanina para lang makatipid ng pamasahe. Ano yun, Nish?
La, do you have a moment?
What's up?
I would just love it. if
Ba't ang
there
gusto
were
niyo
a round
gumawa
street
ng ano?
lamp right
Street
here.
lamp. Hell na.
Ha.
Kumain ka.
Hey, good evening.
Oh, bulgogi.
Yum.
Putang ina. Oh, kasi wala siya makamakaw.
Yum.
I'm gonna end stream in a bit na din. I'm very sleepy talaga. I'm tired. Ay, charge ko pala tong ano. Yung AirPods ko. Ay, yes, ano yun?
I think I could take a nice nap here.
Yes, palagi ka lang may ginagawa. Ako.
I should think about getting up.
Hello, Tat. Share ako na siya makamakaw. Ako po, naprak pa nga ni
Who
Sunday.
did this?
Couch. Eat.
Oh, Lord of Femboys.
Couch, nandiyan ka ba?
Yum.
Hello, Tat. Share welcome back. Ano ibibigay ko sa yung ano, at nagla-level up ka? Parang goods dito. Ito yung mga ano, goods. Meron oh, meron din mga quirks. Ayan yung mga ganyan. Tapos mga walk. Then, yung way na pagkain. Tapos, kung paano kapag magalit ka. So, syempre, expressions. Pam, 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 pam. What's the couch? Hello na ako sa stream na hello. Kamusta? How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Thank you for the hello. Thank you. Nandito ako sa stream ako. Couch, nasan ka? Couchy. Lord have mercy. Magalitan na ako ni Mama Z. Also, 20k dun. Ano nga bibigay ko sa'yo? Auntie Z, don't be mad at your son. I can be mad at him. Kasi Diyos ko, apakagastos. Thank you for the love you so much, Nak. Thank you so much. Love you too. I think love you so much yan. Goods. Okay. Ano dito? Hello na ako, Rishima. Welcome. Gusto ko camera. Okay.
Thank you.
Mga claw machine tayo. Ako bahala sa tokens. Gusto mo bang may masira akong claw machine? O wag?
Ha.
Alam mo namang ayoko ng mga claw machine nga ni. Hello, Mira. It's been a while. Ako po, magle-level up din to. Ano bibigay natin kay Mira? Couch. Magle-level up na din to. 1 to 2k? Pang isang week ko lang yan eh. Isang week na ano kong yan eh. Why the fuck did you not like it? Go. Yes. O diba ready na ako. Ready ka nang gumastos? May lagi ko nakikita yung pixel commission yan, yung avatar. No, it's it's a customizable model. Over na massive deep voice. Pinag-tripan ko kasi yung moderator ko dahil dito. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano boses niya. Hindi siya nag-on mic kasi. Ayun pa na nga ako para dun. Na parang kala mong sigurado na ako. Couch! Couchy! Bibigay natin kay Mira. Ano bibigay natin kay Mira? Magiging bata, wag. Ayoko gamitin yan. Ano pa ba mga expressions ni Mira? Ano kaya, Couch? Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Pwede kaya kay Mira, putek. Hello, Ayla, Grace, Oroshima, welcome. Anong yan? Na-filtered ka. Napahisinan ka message. Yung K tsaka M tsaka S niya if stress. Ah? KMS? Isang ano lang catchphrase lang or isang expression lang. Hello, Zappy, mga Shim. Welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Um, ano bang mga starting sentence? Ano ba yung mga starting na ano niya? Wait lang. Okay. Ito na lang. Is Okay, kain ka pa. Couch, you there? Ay, ayaw mo. So, ang dami nangyayari. Naglalaro mi. Ay, kaya naman pala. Ano na papagainipan nito ni Bomgyu? School.
One sheet.
If we're like a lifetime, thank you. Ship outfit?
Thank goodness. Just a dream.
Ship costume.
Oh. What's up?
You eat bulgogi.
Yum.
I-feel ko sumasara na yung mata ko. Right back. Okay. Although most likely I will be ending stream na by then. So just a heads up. Would you like chocolate toast?
Yum.
Just okay. Ang buti na hindi nag-level up. Yun na may niche. Siya ay nagmumuni-muni.
Aw, cracking femboy.
Mhm.
Oopsies. You caught me daydreaming. Norway. La, I want to wear something that really makes me stand
Ba yan?
out.
Gish, okay na yan.
Great. Huh. Well then, I guess I'll keep wearing this. Thanks, Norway.
Okay, ano pa? Ano pa need kong gawin? Yung news. Yung balita. Hindi ko pa na-check. Wait lang, save ko lang. Oh. Ano meron sa balita?
This is me news for May 4th, 2026. Nish won the top
Ay,
five
taray!
in a recent talent show held on Femboy.
Nalo pa si Nish.
You may have heard of vocal percussion, or beatboxing as it's
Grabe
sometimes
silang dalawa
called.
pananalo.
But
Sila
Nish
pang dalawa
won over
nag-perform.
the audience with something she calls piano boxing. One of the judges was so choked up they could barely speak. I've never cried while judging a competition before, they managed to say before continuing to sob. We asked residents for their reactions. Amazing! So glad I live in these times.
What a waste of time.
Thanks for watching. I'm Zedlin, and this has been the 10 o'clock news.
Okay, tapos itong wishing, ano lang. Wishing fountain. May 4 pa lang ako gusto ko. Ito agad naubos ko. Are you even shocked na magastos ka? Kasi I don't think anyone is surprised at this point. Hmm. I wanna buy this. Get this pala, I mean. Mga magkakaibigan kayong mga gastador, yun. Pangit ng friendship goals nyo. Bago na naman travel tickets, Potex. Mga mag-end stream.
We interrupt to bring you some breaking news. An exciting new travel destination is now available. A Latin America tour is now available via travel tickets at the Wishing Fountain. Sighs of relief could be heard throughout the island, and one resident is quoted as saying,
Ano tayo
I
welcome
hope my
back.
roommate is gifted a trip soon. I could really use the alone time. It looks like a wish has
Nag-reply
already
siya
been
si
met,
ano si
so
Couch
someone can leave
regarding dun sa
immediately.
sinabi mo.
Stop by the Wishing
I-backread mo na
Fountain to
lang.
learn more. Thanks for watching. I'm Nish, and you're up to date.
Kanino ko naman to bibigay, Potex. Ano na ba nabigyan ko nun? Si Nish ba? Si Miran lang. Hello, Bioner Shinokong. How are you? I hope you're doing good.
I'm super excited. Thanks so much.
Yeah, sizes na shopping.
This is going to be so
Try
oh no.
try tell him to wash his hands using soap and water. Tapos apply pressure to it. Preferably a clean cloth.
Say cheese.
Mirang-mira.
No one wanted the Amazon documents. Oh no.
Say cheese.
This annotated is like my own private book.
Say cheese.
Jeremy like to also have a dead
That
croc
is a one-off.
alligator behind her as she takes a
Thanks
sim.
so much for letting me take it. How now? I have a souvenir for you. How now?
Uy, alabrihe. Help, there's loser. Sama mo sa ano ko. Sa moderator ko. Sumbong kita. Charot.
What?
Usap kayo ni Couchy. Sorry naman. Hindi, okay lang. Ako nga pagtitipan ko eh.
Yeah. Good evening, couch potato.
Sukira, good evening.
Say that's the short level. How now? So, you even juggle with Wendy?
Oh yun, wants to be friends.
I had a fun time with Couch Potato. And, if I'm being honest, it's all thanks to you. One of them boys. How
As time
now?
passes by, medyo naiintindihan ko na si Mira. Bye, I need to sleep. Okay. Good morning. Good night to you, Simon. I'm about to end stream na din. Since inaantok na talaga ako. So, yeah. Okay, guys. I'll be going na. Don't know if I can stream bukas. Depende. Kasi, it really depends kung gaano ako ka-busy bukas. Since I'm going to... Alam, bilis masyado. Short stream nga ni. Tapos ko yung couch, inaantok na talaga ako. Hindi na kaya ng mata ko. Nakakatulog na ako. Bawi na lang ako bukas. Although, yun nga, I'll still see if I can stream tomorrow. Kasi, may pupuntahan ako bukas. I'm going to apply. Although, sa lang naman, sa mga katabing, hindi naman katabi. I think one city lang ako bukas. At worst, 2 city, pero malapit-lapit lang naman din. Isang jeep lang. So, yeah. Thank you to everyone who supported me tonight. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, and everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of your support. I hope all of you have a good night's sleep and a great day tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.